Welcome to today's video. It is gonna get hectic. From broken tools to frozen wheelbarrows, stuck vehicles, and anxious horses. Of course, having some fun along with jumping in the snow, going for some beautiful walks. Do what we gotta do and we make the best of it. If this is the kind of content that you like watching, make sure to subscribe for more. Let's get into it. The snow has started. It is absolutely beautiful. I just got Skunk put in the stall and I took her buckets to the house, got them thawed out and warm. We got her some water we're bringing down here. Hunter's getting it in the truck, and I have got her alfalfa pellets soaked nice and warm. Hey, pretty girl. What are you doing? I got her hay all tucked in. She's got such a pretty view out her stall. She can see us at the house. We can step out on the porch and talk to her. Hi, baby girl. Hunter's coming with the water. He's going really slow, trying not to slosh it out. Say hi. Say we're all tucked in and ready for the winter storm. All cozy. She wants to go out so bad. I don't know why. You've literally got it made in here. My dad brought home some fresh cream straight off a cow from work and made homemade butter, and it was absolutely delicious. Mom made homemade bread as well, and the two combined was amazing. It was the perfect warm treat for this cold, snowy day. We all worked together on this beautiful puzzle and watched some Looney Tunes. A classic snow day for sure. My little brother got out in the Yukon and had to do some snow drifting. The snow accumulated so fast. Just within a few hours, there was so much snow. And it was mixed with sleet, so it was really hard to walk in and super slick. You made it! I see somebody sticking their head out. It's so pretty out here. Hi! Honey, you didn't even eat your food. Why are you not eating your food? Skunk was super nervous in the stall, so much that she wasn't eating or drinking, so I decided to get her out and exercise her for a little bit. We done some trotting on the lunge line and then even took her over the jumps and loped around, and it helped her a lot. She definitely calmed down and then went back in the barn and ate all of her food. is now Monday morning. It is 11 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am taking out all of Skunk's braids and brushing her mane and tail, and then rebraiding just her tail. I leave her mane out for today. I think it really helps keep their neck warm, and it just provides another layer, especially if you're using a blanket like this that doesn't have the neck shield. I mucked out her stall, got her fresh food and water, and she was happy. Now look at what my mom made. These were homemade pretzels and they were amazing. She also brought us some homemade cheese sauce and it was so good. They were gone within probably 10 minutes. I have a hard time staying inside when the weather is like this. I thrive in the snow and the cold weather. I love it, and I was out a lot of the time playing in the snow, playing with icicles, just going for walks and enjoying every bit of it. Let's see if Skunk wants some. You want icicle? She's like, I've had enough of this ice, thank you though. More for me. Come here. This morning it warmed up quite a bit and the neighbors let out all of their horses, so I went ahead and turned Skunk out and let her go be with them for a while. Alright, it is time for a full stall reset. Skunk has been in the stall for the last 2 days with all the weather that we've been having, and I have tried to keep it cleaned out, but it is just so hard with the weather and everything being frozen. So it is pretty enough today that I turned her out with the other horses, and now I'm going to get her buckets completely thawed out and refreshed, her hay bag filled up, and we gotta muck out the stall. It's gonna be the funnest part. My actual pitchfork that I used to muck out the stalls broke yesterday while I was cleaning it out, so that is very unfortunate. So I went and stole these from my dad's barn. This is like the same thing I was using, kind of. Mine had the lot longer prongs, but this is metal. Mine was plastic. So and then this is a shovel, obviously not the shovel that you're supposed to use for this kind of stuff, so it's probably gonna take me forever, but it's got to be done. So we got to work with what we got because I can't get out on the roads to go to TSC and get what I need. I also left my tripod at the house, so I do not feel like going up there and getting it, so we're just gonna have to work with the angles that we got. Go faster with my bare hands. This shovel is not picking up anything. I think I get a good scoop and then it all just falls off. This is so unfortunate. And the fact that I don't have a wheelbarrow, because the wheelbarrow didn't get put in the barn and is completely full of snow and ice and it's frozen to the ground. So yeah, it's like everything's working against me. No four-wheeler, tractor, wheelbarrow, shovel, rake. I have nothing. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing to haul off what little bit I can at a time. So I'm having to put it all in this tote, and then I hooked a lead rope to it and just using it as a sled to pull it over to this sinkhole where I'm dumping it right now. My feet fall out from under me every step I take. Come on. Looks like the horses are having fun though. Skunk thinks she has to follow Queen everywhere she goes. It's like she thinks it's her mama. This would probably make a nice sled. Did you hear that? It keeps doing that, and we think it is the frost quakes that they've been talking about. As you can tell, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, my hair is a mess. This is literally a workout, and you know, it's like 11 degrees out, but I'm sweating and I'm burning up. So yeah, as you can see, this was a brand new, I don't even know what you would call this, pitchfork, whatever, muck out, but it just snapped right in half. So I actually look like a human now. Earlier I looked like a tomato because I got so overheated in the barn working. Skunk has got to be out all day. This ground is terrible. So we're going to catch her now and put her up in the stall for the night. I'm having to use one of my hands because my gloves that have the fancy, like, where you're, like, you can use the, where you can, like, use your phone with the gloves on. There was another one of them frost quakes or whatever it's called. Okay, so y'all seen me having to scoop up the muck with my gloves, so they're in the washer. So I had to put on my old gloves, and the part that you can use on your phones all wore off. So my hands are freezing right now. It is so beautiful out here. There's an Amazon truck actually stuck at the end of our driveway right now. I don't know why he tried to come back here. I mean, that's the road. Our road is solid ice. And Amazon made him come back here, and now there's a tow truck having to come get him. Package secured. She was all the way up at the neighbor's house with all the other horses. That's where their hay is. So I had to walk a good piece to get her. We're just taking our time because this ground is terrible. This is why I want to put up at night, so I can, you know, I know she's safe, but when she's out here in the day, you know, I have to constantly keep an eye on her, make sure she's all right, and if she's put up at night, I don't have to worry about it. I have never seen anything like this ground before. It is not snow, and it's not just ice. It's like walking on a frozen pond. Every step you take, you don't know when you're gonna fall through. Like, I've been walking for a while now, and I'm just walking on top of it, and it's not going anywhere. And then you'll randomly take a step, and both of your feet just fall straight through it. And it's kind of scary. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Bye!